Mohit Agarwal. You know, he has been my teacher since class 10 and has motivated me immensely. We used to be in the same school, same college. He was 1 year senior to me. He was also a very good friend of mine. And, he was one of the reasons that I started liking accounting and I went to commerce. I looked upon him as a guide, you know, and one of the reasons what am I today is because of him. I took CA classes from him, and the way he used to give me lectures, he made it very easy for me to pass my exams, gave me a lot of motivation. I started loving accounting because of him, and then I decided to go to United States to do my CPA. I passed my CPA. Now I have my own firm. I have 15 people working for me, and I'm definitely gonna say one of the reasons I'm successful today is because of him, because of the way he taught me, because of the strong base that he developed for me in accounting. So I really owe him, man. I owe him a lot. And thank you, Mohit. Thank you for everything.
Hello everyone. This is a very delightful and a proud moment, not only for me but for all the aspirants who were and who are connected to this organization, as this organization is achieving another milestone and celebrating its 10th anniversary. MEPL, that is Mohit Educom Private Limited. The name itself brings a smile on my face. This organization, and especially Mohit sir, Divya ma'am and Vandana ma'am, you have shaped the future of a lot of students, and they are performing exceptionally very well in the respective fields wherever they are posted. ये मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि मुझे आप जैसा मेंटोर मिला, एंड आज मैं जिस भी मुकाम पे हूँ मुझे उस लायक बनाया. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच मैम. Not only you but the entire family, the MEPL family, our beloved Dada, Vinay Bhaiya, Umesh Bhaiya and all the supporting staffs जो हमेशा students के लिए helpful रहे हैं. Thank you so much to the entire family. May you celebrate more of these events and the success story keep buzzing all across the social sites. So thank you so much and best wishes to the entire MEPL family. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Agarwal and I had secured All India Rank 3 in CS Executive December 2018 exams. My experience with MEPL has been great. Before joining MEPL, I was not so sure about how to approach these exams, but with the guidance of Mohit sir and other faculties, I have successfully completed my CS course, and I also came to know about the ULR approach of Mohit sir, understand, learn and revise, which has really helped me a lot to get good marks in each and every subject. And I really feel that MEPL is one of the best institutes for CA, CS and CMA course, and the faculties are very friendly and helpful. Thank you so much MEPL for shaping my career.
Wishes to the entire MEPL team for completing 10 successful years of enlightening lives. Personally speaking, MEPL has contributed a lot to where I am today. During this pandemic year of 2020, where live classes were not there, it had become impossible for me to appear for exams provided Mohit sir's support wouldn't have been there. His immense confidence in me made me feel confident about myself to appear exams. Very shortly, I would like to share 2 reasons what I feel has made MEPL successful. First one is not only it provides education but also life values. It builds discipline and confidence among students. Second reason is it provides education to not only a fixed set of students but to everyone. I think every other student in India in commerce field is some or the other way associated to the institute, maybe for its classes, for its motivation videos or for its announcements.
Hi everyone, my name is Piyush Agarwal. I have been a student of MEPL, which is just a synonym for Mohit Agarwal sir. I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for his contribution throughout my journey of Chartered Accountancy course. It was all because of his contribution that I managed to secure an All India rank 9 in my CA IPCC November 2017 examination. I hope everyone is enjoying his lectures, because I used to enjoy his lectures, because the energy and effort he puts in is just unparalleled and unmatchable.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Chatwani. I recently cleared my CMA intermediate with an All India rank 1. I would like to thank Mohit sir for his kind guidance. I'm also thankful and grateful to Gaurav Kabra sir and Mohit sir for their marathon lectures, which really helped me to revise concepts in the last moment. And also, I wasn't aware of few things like I wasn't aware that some concepts could be done and in an easier way. For example, replacement of machinery in capital budgeting. So those videos really helped me with that. And I'm somebody who neglects theory, so I neglected theory for the longest time. Of course, I did law before, but for the practical subjects I did theory in the December itself with the help of those videos. So those videos helped me to understand the concepts and retain them. So I'm eternally grateful to both of them and of course the entire MEPL team, and I look forward to having a fun journey ahead in finals with MEPL.
MEPL has been providing quality education for CA, CS and CMA students since past 10 years. It not only helps the student to pass the exam but to secure All India Rank 2 through various exams which it conducts for its students. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate MEPL for 10 years of excellence and quality education. Also, I would like to wish MEPL good luck for its future.
Well, starting my CA journey under the guidance of Mohit sir and other faculty members of MEPL has been one of the best decisions I've made so far. Thank you so much, sir, for making us believe in ourselves and helping us achieve what we did. Forever indebted to you.
Hi everyone, this is Soumya Ipsha, securing All India Rank 10 in CS Foundation. I'd like to thank Mohit sir a lot for contributing in our success. Thank you so much Mohit sir for making us believe that learning could also be so much fun and effortless like never before. The way you make your classes so interactive and filled of humor is something really different and I appreciate it a lot. The entire MEPL team has been extremely coordinated with us whenever we needed them. So I congratulate the team for completing 10 years of successfulness, and I hope that they reach more and more of students to help them out in their studies.
This is Suchayat Patni. So MEPL is completing its 10th anniversary on the 2nd of May. I would just like to say that it has been a complete honor and privilege to be a part of the MEPL family. I would like to thank each and every teacher and especially Mohit sir for creating such an amazing learning experience for us. Mohit sir has not only guided in terms of professional guidance, but he has shown and given us lifelong lessons and has given us an insight on what lies ahead of us and what the future has for us. MEPL has enriched thousands and thousands of students and has empowered them to achieve their goals, and I hope they continue to do the same. Thank you.
This is Narayan Bajaj. I have secured All India Rank 19 in CMA Inter December 19 term. I had taken law, audit and OMSM classes for CMA intermediate examination and my entire CMA foundation classes from Mohit Agarwal sir. I feel myself to be very privileged to have sir as my mentor. Thank you sir.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita Sau. I have studied CS Foundation and CS Executive from MEPL. I have scored All India Rank 23 in CS Foundation, and it's all because of Mohit sir and Divya ma'am. I am so much thankful to them and I am grateful that I am their student. Thank you Mohit sir, thank you Divya ma'am, thank you MEPL, and yeah, happy 10th anniversary MEPL. Thank you.
Hello, I am AIR 17 of June 2019 Foundation, and Mohit sir is the reason why I love studying law as much as I do, and he's also the reason why I've continued down this path despite feeling overwhelmed by every aspect of it. When you see someone enjoy the art of teaching as much as he does, you too are bound to feel inspired, and thank you so much for this, sir.
I really feel very blessed to have a teacher like you, sir. You're probably the most hardworking teacher that I have ever come across. You make us feel that no matter whatever happens around us, there is at least one person who's never going to leave our hands. Thank you for being there whenever we needed you, sir.
I feel so fortunate to have been placed in institutions which have teachers like you, sir. Your inspiration will always give me the strength to succeed in my life. Your passion and dedication towards students is beyond appreciation. Thank you for everything.
Hello everyone, my name is Jatin Makhija. I cleared CA Foundation in the November 18th attempt with an All India rank 45, and I give the credit of it to Mohit sir and the entire faculty members there. सीनियर से बात करके डर तो मुझे भी लगा था कि हाँ लाइक कैसे होगा ये, बट सर से बात करके एंड देन सर से गाइडेंस लेके एक जर्नी को इतना अच्छा हेड स्टार्ट मिला यहाँ पे, माइंड से वो डर ख़त्म हो जाता है कि हाँ इट्स अ कोर्स एंड आप उस चीज़ को अच्छे से अकम्प्लिश कर पाओगे बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइफ लेसन्स एंड द मोटिवेटिंग बातें जो आपको एवरी नाउ एंड देन मिलती रहती हैं. and I'm very happy कि MEPL has completed 10 years and I am a part of this journey.
Hi everyone, this is Aditi Prasad Mahato, securing All India Rank 21 in CS Foundation. I would like to thank Mohit sir and his wonderful faculty. This is all because of you, Mohit sir, that I am here. You not only made the concepts clearer, but also ensured that everything should be learned in the class itself. And the one thing that we need to do is just revise and revise the concepts in our home, which hardly take 1 hour, and that's it. We are good to go. और आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट था ULR का पूरा चेंज कर दिया सर लाइफ. पहले लगता था ना कि कुछ इम्पॉसिबल है, इतना कैसे पढ़ेंगे, ये क्या करेंगे, लेकिन जब से वो आया ना एक कंसिस्टेंसी आ गया खुद में. And yes sir, this is all because of you, and I would like to congratulate you that MEPL is completing 10 years sir.
मोहित सर, आप MEPL के सबसे बड़े पिलर हैं. हम पढ़ने के लिए जितना ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड रहते थे उससे कई ज़्यादा आप हमें पढ़ाने के लिए मोटिवेटेड रहते थे. चिल्ड्रेन एंड देयर स्टडीज़ वेर ऑलवेज योर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. हम आपको देख देख के सर इंस्पायर हुए हैं, मोटिवेट हुए हैं और आगे बढ़ते चले हैं. आई विश आपके जैसा मेंटर और गाइड हर किसी को उसके लाइफ में मिले. आई प्रे ऑल द सक्सेस एंड हैप्पीनेस टू यू सर टुडे. थैंक यू.
हेलो सर, आई एम सो थैंकफुल कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया अपने MEPL में पढ़ने का. एंड मेरा जो रैंक आया है मैं आपको और आपकी पूरी टीम को डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस आपके साथ और आपकी पूरी टीम के साथ काफ़ी बढ़िया रहा है. स्पेशली जो आप मोटिवेट करते हैं हर एक क्लास में हर रोज़, वो मुझे बहुत प्रोत्साहित किया. आई होप कि आप आगे भी ऐसा ही सब बच्चों को मोटिवेट करते रहें. थैंक यू.
Hi everyone, this is Riddhi Chopra, securing All India Rank 21 in CS Foundation. I want to thank Mohit sir and the entire team of MEPL, without whose guidance and support this would not have been possible. Having a teacher like Mohit sir is really a blessing, and I am really blessed to have a teacher like him. Mohit sir made the concept crystal clear in the class itself. MEPL has been really an important part of my life. Whenever I needed any help, I have always got from them. There is never a no coming from their side. Even in this time of pandemic, Mohit sir was always there to support us and guide us and motivated us to study. And on the 10th anniversary of MEPL, I would really like to congratulate them and wish that they grow more in the coming year.
Hi, I am Padmala Patnaik. I want to share my learning experience at MEPL. First of all, I would like to thank Mohit Agrawal sir for providing us in-depth knowledge and genuine content regarding our studies, for which I have secured All India Rank 31. It goes without saying that the chart books, the MCQs books and such comprehensive material provided by sir and also the revision marathon by MEPL helped me to travel an extra mile in achieving a rank. Moreover, the inputs given by MEPL served as a major contributor towards my success in achieving a rank. Thank you so much Mohit Agrawal sir, and thank you so much MEPL.
Hello everyone, I am Ruchika Agarwal, a proud rank holder of MEPL Institute. I would like to thank the entire MEPL team for their support and guidance on completion of its 10 wonderful years. I would like to really thank Mohit sir and his entire team for encouraging me and making my journey towards becoming a CS as beautiful and wonderful as possible. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Avnish from Hyderabad. I secured 25th rank in CS Foundation December 2020 exams. MEPL's marathons and test series were really helpful for my revision. Mohit sir also provides practical examples apart from theoretical knowledge, which really helps in grasping concepts clearly. Mohit sir is a great mentor and a great teacher. Congratulations to MEPL for its 10th anniversary and wishing many more milestones.
As MEPL completes 10 years today, I'd like to thank the faculty for constantly guiding and supporting us. I'd like to especially thank Mohit sir for being a constant guiding force, and I hope कि MEPL ऐसे ही बहुत ऊंचाइयों पे जाए और साथ में हमें भी ले जाता रहे.
Hi, my name is Opriyo Koshal. Tomorrow is a very proud and happy day for me because tomorrow our MEPL is completing its 10 years. Thank you Mohit sir, Gaurav sir for supporting me throughout my journey. And my experience at MEPL I will not be able to express in words because MEPL has given me a lot of things, and if I start telling it, the video will be around 2 to 3 hours or even more. But the only thing I can say is that every time I learn anything from MEPL, I always have a smile in my face because सर के पास पढ़ने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, बहुत मज़ा आता है. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर गाइडिंग मी थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, my name is Rama Sharma and I have secured All India rank 17. It wouldn't have been possible without the guidance of MEPL team and especially Mohit sir. MEPL team made sure that we are motivated enough during the challenging times of lockdown and attempt every possible ways to add values to their students, instilling hopes that everything is possible. My overall experience in MEPL was truly amazing and I am blessed to be a part of MEPL family.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Gupta. I have cleared my CA intake in the Jan 21 attempt with an All India rank 3. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Mohit sir and his entire team of MEPL for completing 10 glorious years. I began my CA journey from Mohit sir's help and guidance. I took tuitions from him in CA Foundation and due to his method of teaching, help, support and his study material, I could clear in my first go. And then again CA Inter, I took tuitions from him for auditing. And again the magic happened and with all his help, support and method of teaching, study materials, I could again clear and this time with an All India rank 3. Thank you so much sir for all your help and support. And once again congratulations to Mohit sir and the entire team of MEPL for these 10 years and wishing you all the success. Thank you sir.